Dear students, till last video we have done some problems on previous questions of trigonometry. This video, some important problems we discussed on the NCERT exam the class 10 trigonometry. Okay, this is the problem we are going to discuss today. The value of expression cosec 75 theta 75 plus theta minus sec 15 minus theta and tan t5 plus theta plus cot 35 minus theta is actually 0. You can see simply if you do know the sum of the angle. This is summed up. Okay, summed up this angle. You'll see it. It is 90 degree. 75 plus theta. Check up what is the angle value. 75 plus theta plus 15 minus theta. You have 90. Okay. Either this also 90. So this complementary angle. So you have answer 0. So let us do it. See, cosec 75 plus theta. Now this is sec 90 minus 75 plus theta. 90 minus 75 plus theta. What will I get? 90 minus 75. 90 minus 75 plus theta. 90 minus 75 plus theta is equal to 15 minus theta. Plus tan minus tan 55 plus theta plus cot 55 plus theta 35 plus cot 90 minus 55 plus theta. Now simplify it. So what we wrote? We wrote 15 minus theta is equal to 95 minus 75 plus theta. Okay, this is what we did now. Similarly, what is called 35 minus theta we wrote it as 35 minus theta we wrote it as 90 minus 55 plus theta. Right? That's what we wrote now. Is what is it? Tell me sec 90 minus theta cosec theta. Cosec 75 plus theta minus cosec 75 plus theta. What is the reason? Sec 90 minus theta cosec theta minus tan 55 plus theta plus tan 55 plus theta. 55 plus theta. So what we use sec 90 minus theta cosec theta. Cosec theta. Cosec tan cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta used here. Now what will happen? You cut the terms. Cut. 0. Answer is 0. 0. So answer is B. In this answer is B. Answer B. Okay. Next problem, given that sin theta is equal to A by V and cos theta is equal to B by root of B square minus A square, B by A, C root of B square minus A square by B, D A by root of B square minus A square. Now solution. A is the option, I hope. Draw a small triangle. Let me draw a rough triangle. Okay, this suppose it's a triangle. Suppose this theta. then sin theta is a by its opposite side, a and b it is. So then what is this side is b square minus a square by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, cos theta will be, from this figure, cos theta will be, very simple problem, root of b square minus a square, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. It's a cos. Answer is, therefore, answer is C. It looked at the answer, right? Next problem we will now see the problem. If cos alpha plus beta is 0, then sin alpha minus beta can be represented as a cos beta, cos 2 beta, sin alpha, sin 2 alpha. Now look at what is given. Given cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0. What does it imply? When cos theta 0, cos theta is equal to 0 when theta is a 90 degree. So we have alpha plus beta is equal to 90. Or rather, can put any value here. See what will you do now? We have to find out what is sin alpha minus beta. We have to find out what is sin alpha minus beta. Sin alpha minus beta. What you can do? You can put beta is equal to beta. Alpha is equal to beta 90 minus beta. That's most easiest way. So sin 90 minus beta for alpha, okay, then beta. So sin 90 minus 2 beta equal to cos 2 beta. Answer is option is B. So your option B, okay. Answer B. Answer is B. I hope it's clear to you. The value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, etc. tan 180 degree is, options are here. It's one you must be knowing it. Now see what is given. We have to find out value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree. Because I am writing 45 in between, tan 45. Tan 45, right? Okay. And 44, tan 45, and tan 46. Then tan 89 here, right? Tan 88. Etc. like that. So what these two is equal to tan 1 and 89, 90. 2 and 88 is again 90. 44 and 46 again 90. 46 it is, okay. 46. Let me clear it out. 46 is again 90. Tan 45 is already one, all of you know it. So I can write this tan 90 minus 89, okay. So I can write this tan 90 minus 88. So I can write this tan 90 minus 87, etc. into tan 90 minus 46 into 1 into tan 46, etc. Then tan 87, tan 88, tangent of 89. Next step, what will come? Tell me. This cot 89, right? We know cot 89, cot 88, cot 87, etc. Cot 46, tan 46, etc. Tan 87, tan 88, tan 89. One by tan 89, 1 by tan 89, 1 by tan 88, 1 by tan 87, 1 by tan 46 into tan 46, tan 87, tan 88, tan 89. Cut all this value, 89, 89, it is 89 cuts, 88 get cuts, 87 get cuts, all values get cut, so answer is 1. So answer is 1 means option is B. Therefore, option answer. Okay. If cos alpha, next question, if cos alpha is sin alpha, cos nan alpha is sin alpha, nan alpha is less than 90, the value of tan phi also is acute angle. So we can apply what formula known to us. Solution is, it must be once, I suppose. Cos nan alpha, sin alpha. We are applying complementary principle. Cos nan alpha, cos 90 minus alpha. Okay. Sin alpha is equal to cos 90 minus alpha. All of us know. Cos 90 minus alpha. We put it there. Argument must be same, and cosine is a ratio. Argument must be same. Cos 9 alpha is equal to 90 minus alpha. That is 10 alpha is equal to 90. Alpha is equal to 9. Okay. So therefore tan 5 alpha is equal to tan 5 into 45. 5 into 9, tan 45 is equal to 1. Our answer is option is D. Answer. Answer is D. Right? Hope you got it. Sixth question, if in triangle ABC, if triangle ABC is right angle at C, then cos A plus B is A0, B 1 by 2, C root 3 by 2, D1. Let us see. In triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degree, okay? Sorry, 180 degree. So, what is C? C is equal to 90. C is 90. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 90. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos of 90 degree. Equal to 0. The answer is option A. Answer is A. Okay. This is the answer is A. Third question, if sin A plus sin square is 1, the value of the expression cos square A plus cos A is to 4A is, we'll find it. We'll find it, okay. What is given? Solution. Sin A plus sin square A equal to 1. Sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. What is 1 minus sin square A? Sin square A plus cos square is equal to 1. You must remember it. So, what is 1 minus, what is cos square A? Cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So, for this part is sin square A, sin A is equal to cos square A. You got it. We got this one is, you can apply this one here. So, what we have to find out? We have to find out value of cos square A plus cos raised to 4A. So, you can write, you got it by now. This can put it here. How cos square A the whole square, cos square A. What is cos square A? Sin A. It is sin A, okay? Sin A the whole square. Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. The answer is B. Your answer will be B. I hope you followed. This kind of problem can come for exams. See, given that sin alpha is 1 by 2, cos beta is 1 by 2, then the value of sin alpha plus beta is. It's a very simple problem, okay, right? Solution we do. Sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2. What do we know? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, we have alpha is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, cos beta is equal to 1 by 2. What we know? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So what do we get? Beta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, what is alpha plus beta? Obviously 90 degree. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 30 plus 60 degrees, 90 degree. 90 degree. Right? It's over. See, look at the problem. The value of the expression sin square 22 plus sin square 68, cos square 22 plus cos square 68, sin square 63 plus cos 63, sin 27. So how will do this? How will you do this sum? This we can use. See, look here, 22 plus 68. How much come? 90. They are complementary angle. So you can replace any one of it. 22 can be replaced as 90 minus 68 in the first expression. Okay, 22 can be replaced 90 minus 68. Here, 63 plus 2 and 27. How much it is? It's also 90. So we 27 expressed as 27, we write it as 90 minus 63. Right? So the sum you see, always the sum you see. The sum also you see, it's all 90. 90 is complementary angle. So we'll start with solution. Solution is, I told you now, 22 should be replaced by 90 minus 68. Sin square 90 minus 68. Don't change second angle. Sin square 68 upon, here also change cos square 90 minus 68. 90 minus 68 plus cos square 68. Okay, you got, I hope you got. Sin square is nothing to change here, sin square 63. So cos 63 into sin 90 minus 63. Sin 90 minus 63. Right, so what is this one? Sin square 90 minus 68 is cos square 68. Cos square 68 plus sin square 68 divided by here sin square 68 plus cos square 68. So one only, right? Sin square 63 plus cos 63. This term, note down this term, this sin 90 minus 63, right? Cos 63. So this is 1 by 1 plus sin square 63 plus cos square 63. You get our 1 plus 1 is equal to, answer is to option B. Option is B. Answer option B. Right? The next question is, if 4 tan theta is equal to 3, then 4 sin theta minus cos theta divided by 4 sin theta plus cos theta is equal to A 2 by 3, B 1 by 3, C 1 by 2, D 3 by 4. Let us do some. So what is solution of it? How do you write? Start with the 4 tan theta is equal to 3. What does it gives you? Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, right? Now, this expression will make into tan theta. We have to find out the value of this only. 4 sin theta minus cos theta divided by 4 sin theta plus cos theta. Can either find out the value of sine, cos, and substitute here, or can straight away divide by cos theta. Dividing each time by cos theta. What happened? 4 sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta. 4 sin theta by cos theta. What I did? I divide each term by cos theta. So what I'll get? Cos theta by cos theta. We get tan theta directly. So you can do mentally, this step is mentally you can do. I have found my teaching assignments. Many students do not know many things, so I just doing every steps, thinking that it will be useful to some of them. So 4 tan theta, 4 into tan theta minus 1 divided by 4 tan theta plus 1. So what is this one? Tan theta is 3 by 4. Put this tan theta here. 4 into 3 by 4 minus 1 divided by 4 into 3 by 4 plus 1. So you have cut 3 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Answer is option C. Answer is option C. You got it, I hope. Yeah. Next question. If sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then find the value of sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. Option A is 1, B is 1 by 2, B is 3 by 4, sorry, B is 3 by 4 here, C is 1 by 2, D is equal to 1 by 4. So, sin theta is equal to cos theta. When sin theta and cos theta, all of you know, theta must be sin 45 is equal to cos 45 is equal to 1 by 2. You can write right away. Or you can write sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 divided by cos theta on both sides. Tan theta is equal to 1. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Theta 45. So the solution is, like this you can do solution. Now sin raised to 4 theta, cos raised to 4 theta. What this will be? Sin theta raised to 1 by raised to 4 plus cos theta raised to 1 by root 2. Cos theta raised to 4. So cos 45 cos 45 is equal to sin 45 1 by root 2. So you have 1 by root 2 the whole square whole raised to 4 plus 1 by root 2 the whole raised to 4. So you have 1 by root 2 the whole raised to 4 is 1 by root 2 the whole square become 1 by 2. Square goes and 1 by 2 the whole square become equal to 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. The option is, what is the option? C. Answer is C. Thank you, boys, girls. And next video, we'll do some more problems on the exemplar type.